I asked ChatGPT to give me ideas for sub-niches within the gardening niche to consider in Face's YouTube channel. And the thing is, after a while, it's stuck. It couldn't give me more ideas because I asked too many questions for 1 hour. If you want to get some ideas of how you can ask for more ideas just to get niche down and how niche down you can get in one topic, this is the video for you. And if you want to open a YouTube channel in the gardening niche, you will get here tons of the ideas of sub-niches about gardening. Give me ideas for more niche: organic gardening, indoor gardening, herb gardening, landscaping. Give me more. Sure, more ideas for sub-niches for within the gardening niche. Flower gardening. I have no idea how to pronounce that word. Urban gardening, lawn care, pest control. Give me more. Consider container gardening, rose gardening, bonsai. Bonsai. Give me more. Water gardening, urban farming. Give me more. Sure, more ideas. Tropical gardening, shade gardening, vertical gardening, sustainable gardening, wildflower gardening. Give me more. Garden art, garden maintenance. Okay, give me more. Garden writing. Now it's just going to different niches. Garden podcasts, garden photography. Give me more. Let's see when he is dry out of ideas. Garden landscaping, garden design software, garden journaling. He combining now 2 niches together. Garden tools, garden games and activity. Give me more. Garden how-to videos, garden product reviews, garden vlogs, garden FAQs. Garden podcast was before. Garden Q&A was here in the same list. Garden calendar, garden cooking. Give me more. I will tell you why I'm not asking give me like 20 or 30 or 40 or 50, because he's just getting stuck. So I want to see when he's dry out. Garden coloring pages, garden horoscopes, garden quizzes, garden trivia, garden jokes, garden coloring books. You see, he's starting to go back over to things he just wrote to me. He started to dry out, but let's continue. Garden trivia, I think it was before. Garden jokes, garden trivia games. You see, trivia, here trivia, and then here trivia games again. Okay, 80 ideas. Garden history, garden folklore. I think he has garden history. Garden myth, garden conversation, garden sustainability, garden recycling, garden upcycling, garden planet identification, garden plant care. I hope that you will get something from here. Ideas. Okay. Garden plant watering, garden plant lighting. We got 200. Okay. Garden plant putting and re-putting. Garden plant selection for specific climates. Garden plant selection for specific soil types. Garden plant selection for specific garden sizes. Give me more. And garden plant selection for specific plant types. Wow. Garden plant selection for specific plant care needs. Except some of the topics, the niches that the sub-niches actually, that he repeated itself. Most of the thing now is just make it more specific, but it's different than it was before. So it's like, whew, how many ideas you can do for YouTube channel, and you can start to niche down for like a specific one, and then just get bigger. Let's see this list. Garden plant selection for specific plant histories. You see also the paragraph that it's explaining what the niche is. It's expanded. It's like more. Garden plant specific for specific plant disease. This one was also before. Garden plant selection for specific plant uses in landscaping. This one, I think it started to repeat itself now. If it was before 2 sentences, now it's like a full paragraph. Got stuck. Okay, garden plant selection for specific plants using living walls. So a few more ideas. Garden plant selection for specific use in rock gardens. Garden plants selection for specific plant uses in rain gardens. Garden plant selection for specific plant uses in wildlife gardens. Garden plant selection for specific plant uses in color gardens. I think he's stuck again, but let's ask for more. That's it. Bed vegetable gardens. I think it started stuck, you see? Give me more. You just too many requests for 1 hour. Try again later. Okay. So we got 164 ideas for sub-niches in the gardening niche. If you want to get more ideas about the garden niche, or if you find something here in this list and you say, okay, I'm going to do a YouTube channel about that, you can just go for it, because you see it's so, like, there are so many ideas how to niche down and get specific ideas for gardening. And this is just one niche from many more niches you can go into. So we got 164 ideas. If you like this video and you want to make your own YouTube channel and you want to know how you can use ChatGPT to cheat and make everything much more SEO friendly and clickable, please, you can watch this next video.